Cleaning cast iron is really not as complicated as some people think. We're just gonna get some warm water, get some soap. Right here, I still have the skillet a little bit warm from cooking. I'm gonna scrub it here with just a standard sponge. And actually right here, I feel like there might be some stickiness, so I'm gonna grab a chainmail. I'm just gonna scrub any harder parts off. Now, just gonna rinse it off. I like to feel right before finishing to see if there's any sticky parts. Sometimes some oil remains sticky. Here we see some marks. It's just part of the natural patina that happens when you're using your cast iron, but there's no sticky spots, so I feel like it's clean enough. I'm gonna dry it off and I'm gonna take it to the stove. This is what I call the express stovetop seasoning. It's not a full seasoning because that would take too long to do it on a daily basis, but I do like to do this little bit of maintenance. After it's dried fully, and you gotta check, make sure all the edges are dry, you're gonna put it on medium heat, wait for any excess moisture to evaporate. You might see a little bit of smoke. And then we're gonna oil it up with your favorite oil. I'm just gonna use olive oil here because it's what I have close to me. Some people are very picky about their oil. I don't think we need to overthink it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil there. And then, very important, I'm gonna wipe off most of the excess. You don't wanna have too much oil because it will get sticky and gummy if you have that. So we're gonna leave it here and we're gonna wait until we see a little bit of smoke. Once it starts smoking like this, you wanna turn it off and then wipe all the excess oil off. You don't wanna leave it on there too long or it will burn. You can even take it off the heat once it's like that. Here's the thing. This is good for general maintenance and upkeep, just to keep your skillet shiny and more non-stick. However, if you do see some rust or some really serious things getting stuck to your skillet, we recommend you go to our website and look up for full reseasoning instructions. That will really help you out, bring it back to life.